let's get this show on the road.
I had a project presentation actually. I'm like, That's finally.
So I want to talk about the test. When is the test? Not tomorrow. I'll see you here tomorrow, though.
Next Wednesday.
Yeah, so it's the second class after we come back from break. So I think that's Thursday the 30th.
Sure.
I think. What you're going to be asked to do to be able to do on the test. So you should be able to use your calculator to compute angles for theta like question 2 from the review. Legit. Just make sure your calculator's in the right mode and type in what's on the sheet. Done. Don't get those wrong. Question 2. Use the unit circle to find the exact value of theta in the range of the inverse function. It's literally question 1 from the review. Okay, make sure you know the ranges for sine inverse, cosine inverse, and tan inverse. Yes? Sure. You should be able to use your unit circle to find the exact value of a composition of a trig function and inverse trig function, like question 4 from the review. You should be able to solve for theta on the given interval, like question 3 from the review. That's also like worksheets 1 and 2. We spent a lot of time kind of doing those. You should be able to solve a right triangle. You know how like when we did the story problems, you drew a right triangle and I had to find some parts to it. Should be able to do that if there's no story problem attached to it, if I just give you a triangle. It's like a geometry question. Just a softball. And then you should be able to do story problems like 6 and 7 from the review. Questions for me about the test. Could there be more than one of each of these types? Yeah, there's probably like 2 or 3 of each type. Maybe with the exception of this right triangle thing. There's probably only one of those, I think. It's been a while since I looked at it. But I'd expect like 2 or 3 each of these kinds of types of problems. What else is due today? Half sheet, yeah. Should you be doing if you don't have your half sheet done right now? Working on your half sheet. If you have individual questions for me about homeworks or whatever, feel free to come up and bother me. I'm just going to be sitting up here like grading tests and like writing answer keys and doing my own proofreading stuff, but feel free to come up and bother me. It's no bother at all. It's literally what they pay me for. Thanks, Anna. We'll start a pile right here. You guys need anything else? Pretty clear what to do?
Yep.
Okay. Just as a helpful hint, we have homework sets still outstanding. I'm going to tell you a secret. Mr. Kulik's not going to look at anything until after we get back from vacation. So just FYI. Don't put it off and like give yourself, like waste your vacation, days sleeping when you could be getting your stuff done and then stay up till 2 a.m. on Sunday. But just to let you know, I won't look at anything until we're back from vacation. So you can be patient and you get to spread it out and you can do a little bit of math every day. Like what a gift I give you right there. I know, right? What a gift. Remember, be thankful for mathematics. Yes.
Story problems with like example 9 work too.
From the homework? Or the notes?
Yeah.
You're talking about that notes example? I might want to have one like that on my note card. Sure.
And then should we do that and then like a regular one too?
Sure.
Okay.
At least like make a note about the angle of elevate or angle of depression thing that we talked about it during the lecture about how you guys want to screw that up by putting the angle in the wrong spot.
Okay, so like just like example 8 on the notes?
Sure. That would be fine. Sure. Everybody feel good about what's going on, what to expect? You can come and cut, no biggie. All right, I'm going to stop talking, let you guys do what you need to be doing. If you have questions, come up and holler, no problem.